Well, hello there! Special things happening today. We will be unboxing and building gaming chair. Blindfolded. So I'm gonna open this up, spread everything from here, then I will put myself under blindfold and see can I build this. At this point, please note that I built around 10 gaming chairs over the years, so I know what I'm doing. You shouldn't be doing this. This is a stupid idea.
I'm not gonna sit on the chair until you try it.
Oh, nice. The screws are in different boxes. Back screws, armrest and mechanism. Okay, I'll have to try to remember that. Oh yeah. What do you think about the color?
I think it's really cute.
Backrest. Place for your hiney. The instructions that I won't be using.
Surprise!
I think this is the gas lift. And the wheels and the plastic covers. The backrest elbow, the pillow, I don't need that. That's right throw. The armrest number 1 and armrest number 2. Is there any huge difference? Yeah, these will tell that these are outside. Okay, that should be quite simple. The rocker mechanism. And the neck pillow. Yeah, that's it. This one. I have to remember these. Okay, let's do it like this. This will be the back screws that I need with those, alright. The mechanism screws are the ones that I need first. So those will be here with the mechanism. And then, well, I will need the tool of course. And then the armrest screws will be here. That should work. Let's get this show on the road. Scared yet?
Yes, because it's a nice chair and I won't be getting it. You break things anyway and now you're blindfolded.
No. Like I said, I'm professional, I know what I'm doing on most of the days.
Yeah.
It'll be quite simple because you just push in the wheels. Okay. The extension has one wheel, that's good. Now the gas lift. This it goes here like that. Then the plastic things around it. That's this one, yes. Like that, good. Then the mechanism, I think I have to actually put this mechanism to the base first. This is usually on the right side, so it should go this way. Now the screws, I have them somewhere here. Ha! This will be a tricky part.
Yep.
There's a hole there. Just leave that there. So overall, how am I doing?
Much better than I thought.
Like I said, I've over the years had the privilege of building quite a lot of gaming chairs.
Yeah.
The process is very simple. Now the reason why I'm not using any power tools like the fork side is that I need to feel the force of the tool when I'm using it. So if the screws aren't aligned perfectly, I might break something that I can fix. This way I feel the counter force if it is not moving as it should.
Makes sense.
I'm a smart man, you know that. Can't you see that? I can't.
Right now I can't either.
Okay, done. Now we need to insert the armrest to the base here.
Cushion? No, it's not cushion.
No, it's where you put
Base.
your hiney.
The hiney base.
Hiney base. There's one here. And this, I can feel it from the shape of this, that this is going to be on the outside. So, wait, actually that doesn't really count. Ooh. Well, I just have to have some faith here. It's there. Then the other counterpart for it, this side. Not as easy as it looks, much harder, just in case you're wondering. Like I said, I'm a professional, don't try this at home. Just there. Yeah. Stay. And the last piece is here under the fabric, so it's a little more pain in the ass to find the correct spot for it. Good. Now I have to turn this upside down and flip it on the over the gas lift. There and that one. Yeah. There. And now we need to insert the backrest here. Okay, this will be hard because the holes are under the fabric. I have to align these through them, align them through the metal and then fit into the fabric holes. It's there, yeah. There. Whoa, nice. That went better than expected.
Yeah, that side at least. Not saying anything.
I'm not gonna tighten them all the way because I need to adjust the other side first. Oh.
Closer, very close. Oh, you just missed it. A bit closer to your foot. There. Oh. You keep jumping over it. That's the hardest part.
As I said, I'm a professional, don't try this at home. You can just enjoy watching me making a fool out of myself. The fun is there.
Is that actually just a couple of screws holding the back side?
Yeah.
Nothing else?
Yeah, no, nothing else. But that's enough because the base is sturdy and the two screws on both sides, so 4 screws overall. They are keeping, this is kind of a standard for gaming chairs for so long. There are other options, but this is sturdy enough because overall most of your weight won't be going to the backrest anyway. Although you can tilt this backwards and basically even sleep on it if you feel like it, but not my habit.
Yeah, I won't be doing that. I won't even sit in that before you have.
I'm surprised that I was able to do this because basically once I finish this screw, this chair will be done. It's just adding few extra things, but overall I can sit on it. Yep. Yep. Where's that? Yep. Yep.
Huh.
Damn.
It looks nice.
Bright light. Bright light.
Growling.
Whoa, yeah. So like I said, it's just cosmetics these. Next part, just the headrest and the lumbar rest. But other than that, we just have to put in the plastic here to cover the mechanism, but other than that it's usable.
Okay.
I'm proud of myself.
I'm
That
proud
was
of you
easy.
too.
So before we finish, a few things about what you should be looking for in a good gaming chair. Ergonomics is very important. The armrest is something that you should always pay attention to, because if you don't have a good adjustable table, you need to be able to change the height of the stands and tilt them. So you can find good, it should move, so, move back forward, so you can always find a good place to rest your hands. The backrest below is good. Neckrest also. Getting some good vibes on the chair and relaxing on it. And also pay attention to how much material there is actually on the chair, because this is what your ass will sit on and make you feel comfortable. More material there is, the softer and better it is. This is also something that you should notice these days, is the material of the chair, the canvas. This is basically just fabric, and I like it because it breathes better. Alternatively, there are options to take fake leather or real leather or something like that. Consider that when choosing right gaming chair for you. And of course, these are available in multiple colors, but I like this one.
Me too.
Matches my eyes.
Yes, indeed.
Good. Alright, we're done here. Thank you guys for watching. See you again.
Thanks, bye.